The world's next billion-dollar business probably isn't a business yet. It's just an idea sitting in someone's mind. Somewhere, on a train, in an office, in a coffee shop, or sitting at home tonight, is the next great business. It's just not launched yet. Starting a business should be exciting. Instead, it feels overwhelming. Where do you begin? Is your idea even good enough? What comes first? A website, a business plan, customers, or marketing? Most people don't give up because their ideas aren't good enough. They give up because they don't know where to start. Meet Start.com, the world's first business launcher that takes you from "I have an idea" to "I own my real business." Simply type in your idea. Watch how Start.com brings your entire business to life instantly. Even if you have no idea, Start.com matches you to the best business ideas. In seconds, your complete business website is built, including your SEO, your offers, your branding, and even your business foundation. Start.com also builds your CRM, so you start managing your customers. That's not all. The e-commerce is built for you, including all the product to sell, so you can start making money. Your marketing system, so you can start advertising your business. Your smart plan is built, so you have a business plan to follow. Your finance and accounting system is built for you, so you can manage your finances and invoicing. Your HR and payroll all done for you, so as you grow, you can manage your staff in one go. Your customer support system, your business analysis, your inventory management, your POS, and much more. You don't have to run your business blindly anymore. Go from "I have no clue" to "I am a pro business owner." Our smart coach, an AI co-founder, handhold you, guide, and build for you everything you'll need to start, launch, grow, and scale your business, all done for you. Built intelligently, connected seamlessly, ready for the world. It's not magic, it's intelligence mixed with technology. So instead of spending weeks trying to figure everything out, you can spend seconds building something that matters. You bring the idea. We'll help you build the money-making business instantly. Stop sitting on your idea. Start building your .com.